guys, so I've actually put my ring light on to show you my no makeup look because I had a few messages on Instagram how I do it, so I thought I would do it in this vlog with you. It shouldn't take long, it's quite a quick process. It usually takes like 10 minutes. So I've just had a shower, I've just had my lunch as well, and I just did my Kira London. So this is usually when I put my makeup on, is after my workout, and that's around 12 PM. So yeah, so I thought I would go through my skincare and how I do a little no makeup look. So first up with my skincare, I'm just gonna go in with the Glow Tonic by Ren. I use this every day. It's a daily AHA tonic, and I just apply it on a reusable cotton pad, and I just do this on a clean, fresh face. I do this in the morning and also at night time. Then I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. In the morning, I usually put on my Skiin capsules. These are incredible. These are a Super C vitamin boost, but I've done that already this morning, so I'm just gonna go in with actually first my Saint-Tropez Purity Vitamin Water Bronzing Face Serum, and I do 3 pumps, and I just massage that in with my hands. I usually apply this pretty much every day now and every time I do my skincare because it just creates a really good tan on my face, and you can apply this before makeup. It's that convenient, which is what I love so much about it. And it's got ingredients in there like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D, so it's a really hydrating product to have. So yeah, obsessed with that. Then I'm gonna go in with moisturizer, and I'm gonna go in with the Global Protection Day Cream and also my SPF. It is so important, and you know what, I've seen such a difference with using an SPF every day. I've started getting into a habit with it in lockdown, and with SPF you only think you only need it on holiday and when it's sunny. However, it's so important to have even on a cloudy day. Those UV rays are still coming through the cloud, so it's really important. It's really good for protecting your skin against skin damage, and also it's really good for anti-wrinkling. Also the Ren one, this is not sponsored by the way, oh my god. Also the Ren one is it's good for, it's got ingredients in it to protect your skin against the blue light in your phone, your laptop and the TV, so it's really good. So I would really recommend the Ren one, it's really lovely. Then I'm going to go in with a primer, and a primer is just going to really help create a filter over your face, which I love. And I'm going to go in with the Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, and this is in the range Protecting, and it's silicone free, and it's also got a SPF 30 in there, so it's really good. I love this because then it's just an extra boost of the SPF, which I love, and this will be really good for not clogging your skin with dirt and makeup, and it protects your skin from pollution again, and it just creates a really nice canvas to apply onto your face. So now I'm going to go in with the by Tarte Cc Serum. This is in the shade Sunny Flash. I don't know if I've shown you this on my vlog, but I've been really enjoying this and I'd really recommend it. It is quite dear in price, so definitely check out on their sales, maybe sign up to their subscription, and also like Look Fantastic, Feel Unique and Cult Beauty, because they do a lot of discounts as well. I think it's on Cult Beauty actually, I think it's only on Cult Beauty. So yeah, just make sure you keep an eye out. It's £60, so yeah, keep an eye out for all those discounts, because then you can get some discounts on it. But it's lasted me for quite a while. I got this at the beginning of lockdown and I've used this much, and I've pretty much used it every day, which is amazing. So I'm actually going to go in with a brush for this, and I'm going to use this one today actually. This is a Tarte foundation brush, I think. A buffing brush. Oh, this one's quite nice actually. I'm going to go in this one. This is the Zoeva 104 Buffer, really nice. I'm going to use this so I can link it down below so you can give it a go. So usually I will do 2 pumps for starter, and what I like to do is with my finger just even it out over my skin, just to get the most out of it and not have to keep going in with more pumps. I think this is just more of a sufficient way. And then with a brush I like to blend it all in. You can use your hands, but I quite like the look of the brush with this. So now I'm actually going to go in with 1 more pump, and that will be enough. 1 more pump, and this is just to go in the places where I'm not 100% happy with and want a bit tanned. It's just a gorgeous glowing product, and what I love about the by Tarte products is that they are super incredible for your skin, so super glowy. like so. Then I'm just going to quickly put some tinted moisturiser on, and I'm going to go in with the Nars Afterglow lip balm in the shade Orgasm to moisturise those lips. And then I'm going to go in with concealer, and as it's a non-makeup look, I'm just going to do a tiny bit under my eyes and just on my blemishes. And that's what I love about the By Terry Cc Serum. It's just like this really nice bronze filter, so you only need a little bit of concealer to just cover up your blemishes and the dark circles under your eyes. And then I'm just going to go in with my damp beauty blender and just blend this all out. So just to open up those eyes, and with a damp beauty blender it will just really soften that concealer, which is lovely. And I've just put a bit here because I'm a bit red, and then on my blemishes. And then with any excess I just like to go over my face. So next up I'm going to go in with some bronzer and blusher, and I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Glow Away, and I'm just going to use my brush and just apply it. This will just give a really nice glow. If you feel tanned already then you can definitely leave this out, but this is just like a really nice glowy stick which is really lovely and really subtle. And I'm only using this actually because I didn't fake tan my face last night, so I feel a bit pale today. So I'm just gonna go in with the bronzer. But usually if I put fake tan on my face the night before, usually I don't really need this. But it's just super dewy, super glowy. It's got a touch of glitter in there, which is lovely. And what I love about this stick, it's just going to last, and it's a really nice product because obviously it's a cream, so it's a really nice summer product as well. And then I'm actually just going to go in with my fingertip, put it on the product and just put it over my eyelid. So it's super glowy, and this is a really good makeup look for if you're going to the beach in England, or you're going for a picnic in the park and you just want something, a bit of makeup on, but you just want to feel super glowy, super natural, but just feel a bit more confident. Then I'm going to go in with the Stila Cream Blush. This is in the shade Sheer Peony. All the products will be linked down below as well, and you only need like the tiniest bit, as you can see. And then I'm just going to blend it in with my fingers, and it's just going to create a lovely effect. And this is super glowy, blends in really lovely with the By Terry serum, and it just blends in really nicely with the bronzer as well, because you're using all creamy products, no powders, and it's just lovely. You just look so dewy and healthy. I don't know if this is too light, and it's lovely. It's so cloudy outside today, and because I'm on the side of the house it doesn't get much sunlight in. Then I'm going to go in with some brows, and I'm going to use the same pencil as I always do, but I just like to use it in a really subtle and soft way. So first I go in with the spoolie brush just to make sure they're all brushed out. Oh, actually I've been meaning to try this. This is the Iconic Brow Silk, and you get a little brush with it like so. But I'm going to actually just use my everyday spoolie brush. You just brush it in. This has got castor oil on this spoolie brush, so it'll be super good for your eyebrows. And then, this is my first time using this, but this is supposed to really stick up your brows and hold them in place. So if you've got dark brows, then I would just recommend using this. As I've got really blonde fine brows, I need to put a tiny bit of colour in. This is really good. That is lovely. Oh, I'm obsessed with that. But I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of colour where I can just see it just needs evening up, make it look a bit fuller, and usually that's just at the bottom. Blend it in with the spoolie brush like so. You can see a tiny difference, but it's just where I fill it in just to make sure it looks all even, just to make it look all even. Yeah, really subtle. Like so. Really happy with that. Then I'm just gonna go, and then last but not least I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. So I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes. I'm just using the Ico ones. And then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Pie Fibre Lash Mascara. And this is just going to really build up my lashes. You just see the difference with that builder lash. It just picks up and just builds on those lashes, which I love. So I'm just going to go in with the other side. And then I'm going to go in with the Lash Topia Bareminerals mascara. I've been really enjoying this. At first I didn't like it because I thought it was leaking under my eyes, but I've just been using the Beauty Pie powder under my eyes to set them. So I might do that in a minute actually, because then it doesn't droop down. The Beauty Pie powder really just holds it, which is amazing. Like so. So that's usually it. I'm actually, like I said, gonna just quickly put a tiny bit of powder under my eyes just so that mascara doesn't droop. And that is my non-makeup look. Just really subtle, no foundation. I could have gone without mascara obviously and the powder, but yeah, and I'm really happy with that, and it feels super light and I just feel a little bit more presentable. Okay, so whilst I have you set up, I thought I would do a little unboxing of some PR pieces which have arrived at my house. So first up is from Daisy, and this is from, oh my god, hang on, no. Oh, so in the last vlog you saw, Sarah and I went to my granddad's to do a shoot, and I dropped my necklace, this necklace, down in the lake. It was really sad. So they've kindly given me a new one. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god, that is so cute. Thank you so much, Daisy, for that. But they've actually sent me their new collection, which is their summer collection, inspired by crafts from around the world. Ooh. So I picked up these pieces because I thought they were really different, and apparently I believe these ones were inspired by Marrakesh. It's this gorgeous drop down necklace, and I've never had something like this, and that's why I picked this one, because it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that, it's super stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. So it drops down like that long, like that. How nice. That's really pretty, with a really nice floral dress or Aztec summer dress. I think that would look absolutely stunning with like a v-neck. So that's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Daisy. I'm going to put that back in this box and take a picture of it for Instagram. I love how Daisy present their jewellery. They're absolutely exquisite, and they come in this beautiful box like so. And then they kindly gave me some earrings. Oh wow, these are absolutely beautiful. Look how gorgeous those are. I'm going to try the one so I can see what they look like. That's what they look like. Super cute, and they go really well with my jewellery. Love those. Those are absolutely amazing. I'm going to just show you one more time because the detail on them is absolutely beautiful. So I got those. So a massive thank you to Daisy. That's very generous of them. So I will definitely get some pictures. But yes, this is from Daisy Jewellery. Daisy Jewellery is one of my absolute favourite brands, and they've got loads of gorgeous pieces. I wonder if they've actually got a new collection in here. No, I don't believe so, but super gorgeous, and like they have like some beautiful floral pieces as well. So a massive thank you to Daisy Jewellery and the lovely ladies from there. Then next up I got a top up on my Kate Somerville, and it was very fortunate actually because they messaged me and were like, are you running out? And I was like, yes I am. So they kindly sent me the Delikate moisturiser, the recovery serum and the cleanser. Super enjoying these. I've seen such a difference in my skin. I have gone back to my Ren Global Protection moisturiser because I know for sure that really works for my skin. So those two are the ones that I'm definitely going to be bouncing back from. So definitely this one. I'll quickly show you. It was the moisturiser I just used. So these are my absolute favourite. Both will be linked down below. This is incredible. I don't know if I showed you in the previous vlogs, but this is the recovery serum, and you wear this at night time, and it's super rejuvenating. And then this is the makeup remover, which again I am completely obsessed with. Next up is from Bareminerals, and I believe I've got their highlighter and their highlighter and their bronzer. So this is in the shade Warmth. Customize your levels of colour and illumination using the Clean Glow. This is in the shade Warmth, a really nice kind of cool colour, but still got a bit of bronze, a lot of bronze in there. I love that one. And then also I've got a highlighter in the shade Free, which is so gorgeous. I explain Free as like it's like a champagne colour. It's absolutely stunning. stunning, beautiful. So a massive thank you to Bareminerals for that. And then they got me some brushes, which was lovely of them. Next up is from my lovely friends Jessica and Eleanor Duff. They have created a face mask brand called Skiin Hotel. And this is the branding. This is what it looks like. Skiin Hotel, and they are super cool. And I love that it's got the stretch and it's in this really nice like zebra print. And I went for the colour palette of like the grey and the brown, the grey and the dark brown, and I think that looks so lovely. I'm not going to do this because I just put a little bit of makeup on. But yeah, really cool, it looks really comfy and just like a really nice material. So a massive thank you to those lovely lots as well. Then I got a lovely delivery from Laura Mercier. Oh my god. Comes in a beautiful little box. I'm just gonna be careful not to show you my address. And oh my god, look at that. I had to open it just to have a sneak peek before I did my workout. I haven't looked yet, but it's so beautiful. And their handwriting, I want to frame it. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, so beautiful. Dear Amelia, prime, apply, foundation, conceal and set. The 4 fundamental steps for Laura Mercier's iconic flawless face technique. For decades, Laura personally used the products on some of her world's most beautiful faces to create her signature's flawless face. We invite you to prep, set and finish with the enclosed and show us your take on Laura Mercier's flawless face. Hashtag Laura Mercier, at Laura Mercier. What makes you unique makes you beautiful, Laura Mercier. So sweet. So they've kindly given me oh my, they've given me a bag that is beautiful. It's in this like really nice like peony blush, even like a dirty ballet pink colour. I got a little makeup bag. Oh my god, wow, oh my goodness. So they've given me so how did you start prime? So in this is a tinted moisturiser and it's got SPF 30 in it. And it's in the shade 1-in-2 Vanille. Oh, that is absolutely stunning. It smells incredible. So I got a tinted moisturiser, and then I've got the foundation, the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas. Oh no, sorry. This is the primer. This is the Pure Canvas primer in illuminating, like so. Love the primers so much. And then I got a concealer in the shade 1N. Oh, that's a lighter colour. Perfect. Yes. They kindly gave me another shade previously and it was too warm for me. So I've given it to my mum. But I got a concealer and then also the translucent powder with a little puffy brush. I've heard so much about this translucent powder, so super excited to try it. This one here. But yeah. How exciting! How exciting, but it's so cute. So that was my little unboxing. Thank you so much to all the lovely brands. I'm just about to take some pictures of this because I think it truly deserves it. And yeah, I will catch you guys